into me. He totally slammed into me. You okay?
괜찮아? 괜찮아? 우리가 잘못한 거야?
No, no. He slammed into me.
누구야? 어떻게
Police, and I don't think anyone's hurt. We got a car accident. We're on the inside shoulder on each one. Yeah, you better just in case because it was pretty major. Did you see it?
I didn't see it. I'm just calling to make sure you're okay.
Yeah, I think luckily we're okay.
Was it the white car that hit you?
The caddy, where do you go?
What's that?
The Cadillac, is he gone?
Cadillac?
Is he gone?
No, I didn't see him. I just saw
Oh, okay. Yeah, I wonder where he is.
Are you okay, ma'am?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, this 911. Sorry.
Yeah, talk to the
Thank
cop.
you. Thank you. Hello? Hello? Yes, yes, yes. This is. I was in an accident in the fast lane on H1 right before 78 East, 13A. I was going in the left lane. This Cadillac pulled out in front of me, so I was going forward, and then he was in the second lane, and then he swerved back into me and made me hit the shoulder, almost lose control. Yeah. Yeah, I did. No, no, I think my tires are all flat. I can try to, let me see if I, okay. Yeah, exactly. I don't think so. Everyone's okay? Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. I think just police. I don't think anyone's hurt. You okay, all? Just shot, huh? Okay. No, I think we're okay. You're okay, everybody? Okay. No, I think we're okay. We're okay. Oh, do you guys want an ambulance? No? Okay. We're okay. Okay. I have a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Yeah, dark gray.
Put on your hazard lights.
It's a minivan. Dark gray.
이쪽으로 끌고 이쪽에서도 같이 그랬지 뭐.